5024 Crystal Breeze. Satellite dish. There's a number of yards that aren't taken care of in this neighborhood. So this entrance is just a little bit rough. We have tile. The walls are either white or they're really, really close to white. You need a fridge, one blind, new counters, the laundry's in the kitchen, get some bifold doors, 3 blinds, replace the locks as always. Pretty straightforward. Seal this off so it's up to fire code. Three, 4, 5, 6. Tile looks good throughout. Need closet doors here as well. Oh, okay, I lost count. We need closet doors here as well. I like that they're raised panel doors. Tile still looks good. $65 to replace that little ring at the bottom. You need a shower rod. Maybe replace this wood here. Replace counters. Tile looks good. $65. Maybe little things. New counters. A leaky sink. I think this hardware needs to go. That gives it a dated feel. I would want to remove all that wiring. Just make sure it's safe.